Welcome back. You're watching DXB Today. We've had a fabulous fashion-oriented episode, and we hope you've enjoyed it as much as Ash has.
I loved it.
She loved it. She doesn't want this episode to end. It is the end of the episode, and we're about to enjoy a fabulous performance. But first, a reminder to you all to follow us on Dubai One TV on YouTube. There's tons of highlights on there, and the full-length interviews that we do. We've got some amazing celebrity interviews and episodes. Whatever you want to share, it's there.
And you can keep up with us, keep us in your pocket by following us on Instagram at Dubai One. And remember to use that hashtag DXB Today. Put it on your post if there's anything you think we'd be interested in. Now, you can catch us every single night on your television set at 8:30 p.m. But you can also join us by going to DubaiOne.ae and watching live.
That's right. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will be back again on Monday night. But now we have a talented singer, pianist and percussionist in studio. This is Clarita Dickey Rose.
You broke my heart, you burned my soul, but I still find I can't let go to forever. I loved you forever. You took the very best of me away into eternity forever. There's no forever. No forever for me and you. Let me go through what I went through. Those days won't go away. Memories don't fade. I said don't go, please stay. But you were never in love with me, not really, but clearly. You didn't mind taking the very best of me. You broke my heart, you burned my soul, but I still find I can't let go to forever. You forever. It took the very best of me away into eternity forever. There's no forever, no forever for me alone in love. Once was enough. I can't believe I miss your touch. I'm begging these things to leave me alone. the very best of me away into eternity.